Hi, I'm Matt with Jupiter Bike. Today we're going to be unboxing our Defiant ST. Minimal tools required, a blade, and a set of snips or scissors will do. First thing we see when we open the box, assess before pulling the bike out that there's no damage. You don't see any holes poked into the box. Everything looks all right. If anything looks abnormal, at this point, take a picture, contact customer support. If you're doing this job yourself, standing the box on its front end, noting that we have the heavy side down, we're gonna lift the heavy side out and the bike's gonna roll to the ground. Now that we have the bike out of the box, we're gonna cut free any of the zip ties we see around. Now we're going to connect the bike so she stands up on her own. Note the wires go in securely the first time it's been shipped. Cool. The kickstand is pre-installed on the bike. We can drop our kickstand and let the bike rest. Now with the bike supporting itself, we can safely start to remove all the foam packaging. This is on with just tape. We've got the handlebar stem freed up now. You're gonna wanna open the latch before standing the bar all the way up. Now we can close the latch. Now that we have the stem in place, we can go ahead and affix our handlebars. We're gonna access our accessory kit. The universal tool in your kit will have all sizes necessary for assembling the bike. I'm going to use my 5mm proper tool, and we're going to remove the 2 bolts from the head. Now we'll get to our handlebars. And you can see on the handlebars themselves, you've got the grooving, pretty much centers itself there. All right. And you see how the display is still loosely installed. I'm able to lean it forward like this, exposing the screws so I can put the stem back together. You always want to snug your fittings first and then tighten. Let's put the seat back on. Just get a general guess where our sitting position is going to be. If your seat latch doesn't hold the seat, there is the adjustment for the quick release on the opposite side. Just righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Get it to just where you got to put a little pressure on that clasp to close it. Take a seat on the bike, sit in a natural, comfortable position for you, and just feel your handlebars. Make sure your grips, your brakes are in a comfortable position. I like them right there. That feels good. Now I'm going to tighten everything down. We're not ready to ride yet, but we can power on the bike. See that the horn works. Test the light. Power down for now because we're not ready to ride yet. One of the final things we're going to do is we're going to install our pedals. Pedals do have a side. There's a right side and a left side. Most common in the industry, your left pedal, besides saying L on it, has some type of abrasion on the threading. As you can see, the right pedal's smooth, normal threads, reverse threads on the pedal. We'll start with the right side first. As we said, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. We're just going to head and screw that in just like you would anything else. Give them a good snug. Reverse thread. Normally you want to turn righty-tighty. We're not. We're going to go the other way. You're going to go to the left. And all of a sudden it's going to start to screw in. Again, counterclockwise. Pedal is tightening on counterclockwise. Left side of the rider. Give that a good snug. And there we go. Before any ride, you want to check your tire pressure. Make sure your tires feel good. These tires are at least 20 pounds right now out of the box. With hydraulic brakes especially, do a brake check. Grab one brake, see if the bike moves. Grab the other brake, see if the bike moves. See if the brakes are acting evenly, if they pull together at the same time. Brakes feel really good. Take a look at your chain. Chain looks good. no abrasion, no rust. It's not misaligned or hanging on anything. This bike looks safe to ride. I'm Matt with Jupiter Bike, and that was unboxing a Defiant Step-Thru. Enjoy your first ride. Maybe I'll see you out there.